Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a culinary adventure with an orange Moroccan kitchen design. This vibrant space offers a fusion of warmth, functionality, and cultural flair, transporting you to the heart of a bustling Moroccan marketplace. Key characteristics: earthy orange palette. The foundation lies in a warm, earthy shade of orange on the walls or cabinetry. This evokes the warmth of spices and creates a welcoming atmosphere for cooking and gathering. Zellige tilework. Moroccan design is synonymous with intricate tilework. Zellige tiles, small and hand-cut with a unique, irregular surface, are a signature element. Use them for a backsplash, countertops, or even a decorative accent wall. Pops of pattern. Complement the orange with pops of pattern in contrasting colors. Geometric floor tiles in blue and green, patterned wallpaper accents, or colorful textiles add visual interest and cultural flair. Metallic touches. Brass or copper accents elevate the design. Lanterns, cabinet hardware, or a statement pendant light add a touch of luxury and shine. Architectural details. Arched doorways, decorative plasterwork on ceilings or around windows, and ornately carved details on cabinetry add a touch of grandeur and architectural interest. Functional beauty. Despite the vibrant colors and patterns, functionality remains key. Ensure ample storage with built-in cabinets, incorporate well-placed task lighting, and choose durable countertops that can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. Woven baskets and natural elements. Woven baskets for storage, natural fiber rugs, and wooden cutting boards add a touch of rustic charm and connect the space to nature. Plants and fresh herbs. Fresh herbs in colorful pots or strategically placed potted plants add a touch of life and a burst of color. Overall vibe: an orange Moroccan kitchen design is a vibrant and inviting space that celebrates cultural heritage and inspires culinary creativity. It's a space that encourages conversation, connection, and the joy of cooking. Extra touches: colorful dishware. Showcase beautiful Moroccan-inspired pottery or brightly colored dishware to add pops of color and cultural flair. Spice racks and displays. Display your spices in decorative containers or on a hanging spice rack, adding a functional and visually appealing element. Tagines and traditional utensils. Incorporate traditional Moroccan cookware like tagines or intricately designed utensils to enhance the cultural theme. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, perfect for whipping up delicious meals and sharing them with loved ones. An orange Moroccan kitchen design offers a unique blend of warmth, functionality, cultural flair, and visual intrigue. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this vibrant style for your cooking space. Warmth and inspiration. A culinary adventure. The warm, earthy orange hue evokes the warmth of spices and creates a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for inspiring culinary creativity and enjoyment. Energy and excitement. The orange color injects a burst of energy into your kitchen, making it a space that feels alive and exciting to cook in. A conversation starter. Moroccan-inspired kitchen is sure to be a conversation starter, sparking curiosity and admiration from anyone who steps into your cooking space. Cultural celebration and visual appeal. A touch of Morocco. This design transports you to the heart of a bustling Moroccan marketplace, celebrating the rich cultural heritage and vibrant colors of the region. A feast for the eyes. The interplay of orange with contrasting colors, intricate tilework, and metallic accents creates a visually stimulating and captivating space. Personalize your oasis. This design can be adapted to various levels of intensity. You can choose a less saturated orange or add pops of orange through textiles and accessories for a subtler touch. Functionality with a touch of flair, beauty, and practicality. Moroccan design allows you to embrace bold colors and patterns while prioritizing functionality. Ample storage, well-placed lighting, and durable countertops ensure a space that's both beautiful and efficient for cooking. Durable and unique. Zellige tiles, a signature element, offer a unique aesthetic and are surprisingly durable, making them a great choice for a backsplash or countertop. Connection to nature. woven baskets, natural fiber rugs, and plants add a touch of rustic charm and connect the space to nature, creating a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Overall, an orange Moroccan kitchen design offers a vibrant and functional space that celebrates cultural heritage, inspires creativity, and makes cooking and sharing meals an even more enjoyable experience. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream orange Moroccan kitchen. Planning and assessment. 1. Measure your space. Measure your kitchen meticulously and create a detailed layout sketch. Consider the location of existing plumbing, electrical outlets, windows, and doorways. 2. Define your orange shade. Moroccan design utilizes a range of orange hues. Research online resources and pictures of Moroccan kitchens to find an orange shade that resonates with you. Consider factors like the size of your kitchen and the amount of natural light it receives. A lighter orange can work well in smaller kitchens, while a richer, more saturated shade can create a dramatic effect in larger spaces. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Consider the cost of painting cabinets or replacing them, tiles, countertops, hardware, lighting, decorative elements, and any necessary plumbing or electrical modifications. Prioritize key elements like painting the walls or cabinets in your chosen orange shade, installing a Moroccan-inspired tile backsplash, and incorporating some statement lighting or hardware. Design and color scheme. 1. Embrace the warmth. Commit to painting your walls or cabinets in your chosen orange shade. Painting cabinets can be a budget-friendly option compared to replacing them entirely. 2. Contrasting and complementary colors. Select contrasting and complementary colors for countertops, flooring, and accent elements. Deep blues, cool greens, and white create visual interest and balance the vibrancy of the orange. 3. Flooring. Opt for a neutral-colored floor in a light beige, cream, or terracotta shade to ground the space and complement the orange and other colorful elements. Functionality in Moroccan flair. 1. Storage solutions. Moroccan design often incorporates built-in cabinetry with intricate details. Consider maximizing storage with cabinets that reach the ceiling, pull-out shelves, or hidden storage compartments. Two. Zellage tile work. Optional zellage tiles, small and hand-cut with a unique, irregular surface, add a touch of Moroccan flair. Use them for a backsplash, a portion of the countertop, or even a decorative accent wall. Consider more budget-friendly alternatives like Moroccan patterned wallpaper or vinyl backsplashes if real zellage tiles are out of your budget. 3. Task lighting. Ensure ample task lighting under cabinets and over the sink for optimal food preparation. Pendant lights with intricate metalwork can add a touch of Moroccan style and function as statement pieces. Finishing touches. 1. Metallic accents. Incorporate brass or copper accents through cabinet hardware, a statement pendant light, or decorative hanging lanterns for a touch of luxury and shine. 2. Woven baskets and natural elements. Utilize woven baskets for storage of utensils, towels, or fruits, adding a touch of rustic charm. Consider natural fiber rugs on the floor and wooden cutting boards for a connection to nature. 3. Plants and fresh herbs. Strategically placed potted plants or a small herb garden in colorful pots add a touch of life, pops of color, and a delightful connection to nature. 4. Colorful dishware. Showcase beautiful Moroccan-inspired pottery or brightly colored dishware on open shelving or in a display cabinet to add pops of color and cultural flair. 5. Spice racks and displays. Display your spices in decorative containers or on a hanging spice rack, adding a functional and visually appealing element that celebrates the culinary aspect of Moroccan culture. Additional tips: consult with a kitchen designer familiar with Moroccan style for guidance on layout optimization, storage solutions, and material selection that balances functionality with aesthetics. Explore online retailers or local shops specializing in Moroccan handicrafts to find unique and beautiful tiles, hardware, and decorative elements. Consider using stencils to create Moroccan-inspired patterns on walls or cabinet doors for a DIY touch. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. The key is to maintain a cohesive overall look that reflects your personal style and appreciation for Moroccan design. By following these steps and personalizing your design choices, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, a vibrant space that inspires culinary creativity and makes cooking and sharing meals an even more enjoyable experience. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.